Did you know that old refrigerator in your garage or basement can cost up to $150 a year to operate? Older units like this can use up to 4 times as much energy as newer efficient models. The good news is your electric cooperative participates in an appliance recycling program. That means if you qualify, professionals will pick up your old fridge or freezer for free. And better yet, your local co-op may offer a $30 incentive through its TeamUpToSave program. Not to mention the savings you'll see on your electric bill once this old dinosaur is unplugged and hauled away for recycling. For residential members, there are only 2 simple program requirements. The fridge or freezer must be in working condition, and it must be between 10 and 30 cubic feet in size. So what are you waiting for? Contact your electric cooperative today for more details on this program and other ways we can team up to save.
Think about what electricity means to you. From the kickstart you get from that morning cup of coffee and buttered toast, to popcorn and movie night with the family, and everything in between, electricity provides daily comfort and convenience, and powers our busy lives. And the cost of electricity remains a solid bargain. Since 1936, while the price of a loaf of bread to make that toast is 18 times higher, and a pound of coffee is 50 times higher, the cost of electricity has only doubled. We know your household expenses are important, especially utilities. Your electric cooperative wants you to know that we can all work together and team up to save. As a co-op, we're owned by you, our consumers, and our rates are set to cover costs, not to generate profits for stockholders. While electricity prices are relatively stable today, cost pressures in the electric utility industry remain. The State Utility Forecasting Group at Purdue University is projecting that electricity rates will rise nearly 1/3 over the next 10 years. The increase is being driven by new federal regulations on power plants that use coal, the fuel for more than 90% of Indiana's electricity. In a time of regulatory uncertainty, your electric cooperative stands with others in supporting policies that promote an affordable, reliable supply of electricity. The Environmental Protection Agency has proposed strict limits on carbon dioxide from future power plants and announced plans to change rules for existing generating facilities. These policies would further raise the cost of power and limit future options. To lessen the impact of those expenses, the Power Supply Cooperative has been working to manage costs and improve efficiency. Cooperatives are united in supporting a national approach that takes into account an all-of-the-above energy mix that allows for all possible power supply options. Using electricity wisely is another way we can all help each other by eliminating the need to build expensive new generating plants. And it can be as easy as remembering to turn off a light. There are many ways you can make your home or business more energy efficient. Contact a member services representative at your co-op to find out how. Or visit our website at TeamUpToSave.com to view a menu of energy-saving options available from your cooperative. Here's a look at a number of Team Up programs. The heating and cooling, or HVAC system, is the largest user of residential energy, making up as much as 60% of a home's annual energy cost. Homes heated by baseboards or electric furnaces face higher costs compared to those with efficient heat pumps and geothermal systems. We know it can be costly upfront to add a more modern and efficient system. That's why participating cooperatives offer rebates on high-efficiency heating and cooling options. Rebates range from $300 to $2,200, depending on the type of equipment you plan to replace. Single-family homes are eligible for rebates and most other team-up efficiency programs. Every day, demand for electricity rises and falls depending on how much power homes and businesses are using, especially on cold winter mornings and hot summer afternoons. These peaks in demand create the most expensive times to produce and use electricity. That's why the Energy Management Savings Switch option was implemented. Participating cooperatives have installed switches on thousands of water heaters, air conditioners, and heat pumps. To offset the rise in peak period demand, we'll briefly activate switches that control power to these devices. Energy management helps keep the price of power stable, and most people won't even notice a change to their comfort level during the brief control periods. Check with your local Team Up cooperative for details and make the switch to savings. If you're building a new home, Team up with the Touchstone Energy Home Program. The guidelines help co-op members build new homes that meet the highest energy efficiency standards. You'll save energy and money for years to come and enjoy a more comfortable home. Qualifying homes receive a free certified energy rating along with a heating and cooling cost guarantee. Your electric co-op has more information about the program, including certified builders in your area. To learn more, go to itehome.com. For commercial and industrial customers, we have special incentives for you as well. Many have already taken advantage by upgrading their lighting, motors, heating, cooling, and compressed air systems. Visit TeamUpToSave.com or contact your account representative to discuss options. Now let's take a look at one more way you can better manage your energy use and save.
Did you know water heating is the second largest energy expense in most households? Typically about 15% of your energy bill. That's why your cooperative is teaming up to offer a $400 incentive when you purchase and install a new energy-efficient heat pump water heater. This heat pump model can save you up to 65% in water heating cost versus traditional models, and will pay for itself in about 2.5 years, and installation similar to standard water heaters. Now don't forget to check the website at TeamUpToSave.com or call a co-op member services representative to find out what programs are available and how they can benefit you.
Electric cooperatives have been working with their member consumers for more than 75 years to improve quality of life for families and communities. That's why we're here. While we can't make costs go down, your co-op is committed to working with you to help keep electricity affordable. Making more efficient use of power saves money and has a positive impact on the environment. When we team up to save, everyone wins.